How to pay or appeal a parking ticket. You will select the applicable feature, a pay ticket or appeal ticket. Enter in the ticket number, plate number, or VIN. I'm going to select the ticket number. Once you've done that, it will come up, and then it's the same portal if you want to pay a ticket or appeal a ticket. You can also view the ticket and the information that was on the ticket you received. If you want to pay the ticket, you just select Pay Ticket, and it takes you into the red credit card portal. Type in the email address. Once you have that in there, then you will click Continue, and it will take you to the credit card portal. And then that will be complete. If you want to appeal the ticket, you just click Appeal Ticket. Type in all the applicable information: first name, middle name, last name, email address. Repeat your email address, phone number, street address, city, state, zip. Are you an employee, public, or student? This is dependent on which committee will hear your appeal. Type in the reasoning. If you have any attachments, don't forget to include them too. And when you're done, click Save, and then that will send to the applicable committee.